Oh, she's ready and waiting. Look at her. She's a lady in waiting.
You always do this to me where we film and then I can't keep a straight face through anything.
What are we making today?
Stop. Today on the Edgy Veg, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan chicken pot pie. Subscriber of the week this week is Makia Hyatt. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Thank you so much for your great comments. And if you want to be subscriber of the week next week, make sure that we see you. Make sure that you leave a comment, you like my videos, and you follow me on social media. All the links are in the description box below. Chicken pot pies. Is it a soup? Is it a pastry? I don't know. It's both. So tired. The soup inside of a chicken pot pie is more of a stew. It's like a thick, stewy, delicious, hearty soup covered with a puff pastry. To get the chicken, we are going to use these tofurky slow roasted fake chicken strips. Not sponsored, I just really like them and that's what I would use. You can also use seitan, you can also use tofu as your protein. Whatever kind of chicken substitute protein you want, that's what we're going to use in this. And what's really great is a lot of puff pastry is actually accidentally vegan. My local grocery has an off-brand pastry that uses oil instead of butter, so that's what we're using today. So to make the stew, we are going to heat up 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large pan. When that is hot, we are going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 chopped medium onion. We're going to cook that stirring constantly for 3 to 5 minutes or until the onions and garlic are translucent. All right, let's add our veggies. We are going to add 1 celery stalk, 1 cup of chopped carrots, and 1 small potato that's diced. We're going to cook that for 3 to 5 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour and mix that all together. Now you want the vegetables to be really nice and coated with flour because that is what's going to stiffen? No. That is what's going to thicken up our stew. Now I'm going to add my broth. I just use no chicken bouillon. Mix that with 4 cups of water and give it a good stir. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon thyme as well as half a cup of unsweetened soy milk. You can also use almond milk if that is the plant-based milk of your choice. Now let's mix that all together and bring that to a simmer. We're going to simmer that for about 10 minutes or until the stew is thick. All right, our stew is starting to thicken, so let's add 2 cups of whatever protein you're using. Again, I'm using these roasted chicken tofurky slices, but you could use tofu or seitan, whatever you want. And 1 cup of frozen peas. You're gonna give that a good stir and then let that come to a simmer again until it's thick. Now you want to preheat your oven for 375 so that it's good to go when you have the pastry on top of your chicken pot pies. Now it's kind of like a choose your own adventure. You can make mini chicken pot pies like I'm going to do, or you can use a normal casserole dish and make one big one. I'm going to use small soup bowls, the type of soup bowls that you would use for like French onion soup, for example, or any oven safe bowl that you have will work. We are going to divide the soup between all of the soup bowls or just transfer the soup into your casserole dish. Now let's roll out our dough. If you are doing the one big chicken pot pie, just throw that piece of dough over the casserole dish. If you are doing mini chicken pot pies like I am, we are going to cut the dough into 4 equal slices, fold them in half, and then throw them on top of the bowls. Cut off the excess hanging off the sides, and then press the edges with your fingers. Then brush this with either almond milk or soy milk or aquafaba so that the pastry is nice and shiny and glistening. Cut a slit in the middle of the dough so that you have a venting system. A venting system? It's just a vent. It's not a whole system. There's no gears. There's no HVAC guy coming to fix this for you. All right, let's throw these guys into the oven. You want to cook these between 40 minutes and 1 hour. I know this is like a large time frame, but start looking at it at 40 minutes. Depending on how thick you made your dough, just keep an eye on it that it doesn't burn or overcook. You want it to be golden brown, but you don't want it to be burnt. All right, take those out of the oven and then serve them hot, but don't forget to tell your guests that the bowl is hot and that they will burn themselves if they touch it. All right, let's give this chicken pot pie a taste-a-rooney. Oh my God. This brings back memories of like going and having chicken pot pie with my family growing up. It's just hearty and nice and filling and warming. Perfect for, you know, January, February when it's cold outside. The tofurky chicken is so delicious, but if you want to make your own seitan like I do, I have a recipe in my cookbook, which you should go get. It is available on Amazon and Indigo and Barnes & Noble and Costco, so go go buy it. It makes a great gift for a friend, or you can just buy it for yourself.
Also, I just found out that Ellen is vegan, so if you watch Ellen and you have her on Twitter, tweet her or send her an email or something. And
do not tell people to email Ellen.
Send her a comment or a tweet and let her know about the book, and maybe we can get the Edgy Veg on the Ellen Show.
Then we can tell everybody about how great vegan food is. Alright guys, there you have it. Easy vegan chicken pot pies. If you like this recipe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section below what recipe you want to see next. And if you're new here, please do take the time to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on new recipes and my face every single week. I'll see you next time. Bye!